झालेले असतात आणि आता विनंती करतात आरोग्य मंत्री श्री विश्वजित खुराणे यांच्या हस्ते आज झालेले असतात आणि सगळ्यांचे आयोजन त्याचे स्वागत करूया. अच्छा मार्बल प्रेसिडेंट का उपयोग शुगर आ गई क्या है आपको डायरेक्टर ऑफ म्युनिसिपल ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अँड डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्व्हिस यांच्या हाताखाली इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ वेलनेस सेंटर एट मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स हेडलाइन्स
already done. It's passed in the assembly. Health Act amendment is done and TCP also amendment was done. It was passed 2 assemblies back. आणि त्याच्यान कितें जाता की व्हडल्यो बिल्डिंगो ज्या तुम्ही एक विचार करा एक 100 एक फ्लॅटाची बिल्डिंग जर असल्यात ते एमर्जन्सी जर झाली तो पयलीं विचार करता तो धडपडटा त्याच्या ऐवजी मोर दॅन 100-150 in order to reduce the emergency and response time. I have said that compulsory AED has to be used and a paramedic has to be employed by that society. How much will it cost if you have to pay 15-20,000 within 100 flats? It is hardly anything for anybody in a monthly contribution. So it is a must. They will not get occupancy till the health department certifies that there is a paramedic, and what they need only a paramedic, AED machine and basic facilities, just like how we have in the wellness center, so that they are able to respond to emergencies. By the time the ambulance comes, at least in the meanwhile, a trained paramedic can take care of that particular emergency that is there. Center when you open, it cannot be only taken as per what is prescribed. We have to go beyond what is the thought process. आणि आम्ही हांगा इवन ECG machine onward, so diagnostics onward, blood diagnostic म्हणजे लोक कोण वयता तांकां आनी हेल्थ सेंटराक वचपाची गरज पडची ना. हांगाच्या हांगा इवन आयल्यार जाता बिकॉज एनी इश्यू हॅव वेदर इट्स अ हार्ट इश्यू छातीन दुखता जेन्ना एसिडिटी जर जाता तेन्ना बी तोपपाचो अशें आमकां फील येता. Within 3 minutes you'll come to know with the iStat machine exactly what is happening, and that is the way we need to take it forward. There are so many things that can be done, but it has to benefit the community by and large in this particular area.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.